Alright, so right now we're going to look at derivative as a limit, okay? So limit, if we recall, a limit at a point is h approaching 0, f of c plus h minus f of c over h. Or sometimes you will see this is as a specific point. If it's not asking for a specific point, then we may have x value. So you may have x plus h minus f of x. So you may see something like this. F plus h minus f of x over h. So this part is a general derivative. This is at a given point. So the one that we're looking at for the next couple of problems is at a given point. Okay, so for the first one, take a minute. When I make copies, the thing is not really clear, so you want to take a minute, jot down e to x plus h minus e to e. So right now you may want to pause the video so you can copy down the choices. Okay. If I look at this one, the function is e to the x at e. So I'm going to use this right here, f c plus h minus f of c. So the c is the point that's given to you. In this case, e is at c. So I'm just going to plug it in. Anywhere that I have x values, I'm going to replace with e. So right here, f of e plus h minus f of e over h. That's the one that I want. So f of e over here, so I'm going to replace the x with e. Anywhere that I have x, I'm going to replace with e plus h. So over here, e to the x, if I replace this, it's going to be e plus h, right? And f of e means I'm replacing the e to the x with e. That's what I'm doing. So if I put this together, it's going to be e plus h minus e to e over h. So this will be the limit. Because again, the idea is this is the key right here. Whenever I have the x values, that will replace with e plus h. Over here, when I have the x values, I will replace that with e. So I'm going to replace that with a given point. So let's do the next one. Same thing over here. I want to know what happened at 2. So whenever I have x values, I'm replacing with 2 plus h for the first part. And then for the second part, I'm replacing with just 2. Okay? So if I look over here, it should be log of 2 plus h. So I look over here, there's 2 places with log of 2 plus h, b and d. Then the second part is I want to evaluate at 2, so now it should be f of 2, right? So f of 2, that means it should be log of 2. So my answer choice would be D. Okay, let's do it one more. Again, the first part over here should be f of, this is the 1, so it should be 1 plus h. The second part should be f of 1. So if I look over here, when I have the x values, it should be 1 plus h. So this should be 1 over 1 plus h over 1 over 1. So I'm replacing the x with these two terms, okay? All of that over h. So look over here, the one that match is D. Okay, so you're going to try the next 2 problems on your own, and then we can check the solution when you come to class. When I see you in class on Monday, we can check and answer. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. But again, you remind yourself, the first part is that given point plus h. The second part is f of that given point. So whenever you have the x values, you replace with these two terms, okay, over h. So that is the derivative of limit, derivative by using the limit definition.